In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva to add a logo or text to images. First, open Canva and go to your existing design or the image you want to work on. Once your canvas is open, we'll start by adding a logo, which is perfect if you want a watermark or brand mark on your image. On the left sidebar, click Uploads. Then choose Upload Media to bring in your logo file from your device. After it appears in your Uploads panel, simply click the logo to add it to your canvas. You can drag it to the corner, center, or wherever makes sense for your layout. Use the corner handles to resize while keeping the proportions clean. Avoid stretching from the sides so the logo doesn't look distorted. If you're creating a watermark, select the logo and look at the top toolbar for the checkerboard icon, which controls transparency or opacity. Drag the slider down to make it more subtle. A lighter watermark keeps the image visible while still protecting your work and showing your brand. Aim for a balance that's visible but not distracting. Next, let's add text. On the left sidebar, click the Text tab, or simply press the T key as a handy shortcut. You can insert a basic text box or pick one of Canva's pre-formatted font combinations if you want a quick, polished look. Type your text, then use the toolbar along the top to change the font, size, color, and any effects you like. Effects such as shadow or curve can help your text stand out, but keep it readable, especially over busy backgrounds. If the text is hard to read, try increasing contrast by adjusting color, adding a slight shadow, or placing it over a simpler area of the image. Drag your text into position and resize it as needed. For layering control, use the Position tool in the top toolbar. This lets you move the text in front of or behind other elements, which is useful when combining a logo, text, and imagery. Take a moment to align everything neatly. Small adjustments in spacing and placement make a big difference. When you're happy with how everything looks, click the Share button in the top right corner. Choose Download, then select your file type. PNG is great for higher quality and graphics, while JPEG gives you a smaller file size that's ideal for sharing online. That's it. Thanks for watching.